Meaning of domination.
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 Domination. Domination refers to the act of exercising control or power over others in a particular situation or area. It implies authority, superiority, and influence. When one entity dominates another, it tends to be in a position of advantage, dictating the terms of engagement and yielding favorable outcomes. This can result in various effects such as subordination, compliance, and submission by the dominated party. Overall, domination is the manifestation of hierarchical power structures within social, economic, and political systems, and it can have far-reaching consequences on individuals, groups, and societies.